Over there. Just coming from the archive. I go check record. If Nigeria die today, what we go inherit? What our forefathers do? I won't find their grave go. What we do them when our forefathers die? And we won't check whether or not they right hand for we the same day. Sell everything. Refinery, they don't sell. Never, they don't sell. Hotel, they don't sell. What you again sell food? Salt company, they don't sell. Sababa Dewa Square, Ghana. Our leaders see. If we not there, what you not go live for us? Aww. The only thing we remain when they never said now the national anthem. Yeah! I don't know what you will do now. Una don't say everything, una privatize everything. National anthem is the only will we have now.
Nigeria, we hail thee, our own dear native land. Though tribe and tongue may differ, in brotherhood we stand. Nigerians all, and proud to serve our sovereign motherland. Our flag shall be a symbol that truth and justice reign, in peace or battle honored, and this we count as gain, to hand unto our children a banner without stain. O God of all creation, grant this our one request. Help us to build a nation where no man is oppressed, and so with peace and plenty